In today's video, we'll be walking through how to set up a client portal using SuiteDash with a quick and easy step-by-step guide. If you're looking to enhance your client experience by giving them access to important information and tools, you'll want to stay tuned for this. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to get your SuiteDash client portal set up, and I'll also share some alternatives that might better suit your needs. First things first, to begin setting up your client portal, you'll need to sign up and log into your SuiteDash account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Clients tab on the left side of the dashboard. This is where you can manage your client data and control access to your client portal. SuiteDash allows you to create individual client profiles, which is the next step. Next, click on Create Client and fill in the necessary details. You can add the client's name, email address, and even assign them specific roles. This is an essential part of customizing the portal based on who will be using it. You can also add client-specific documents, tasks, or invoices here, which will make their experience more personalized. Now, the third thing you need to do is configure the client portal settings. Under the Settings menu, select Client Portal, where you can customize the look and feel of your portal. SuiteDash gives you options to match your branding by customizing the logo, color scheme, and layout. This step is crucial for maintaining a consistent brand image. The fourth thing is setting up the client portal security features. It's vital that your clients feel safe using the portal. You can adjust the security settings to enforce two-factor authentication or control who has access to certain documents and tasks. SuiteDash lets you specify access levels, so only certain individuals can see particular data. Next, let's talk about automating client interactions. SuiteDash allows you to automate client communications and reminders through its Automations feature. For example, you can set up automatic email reminders for upcoming tasks or invoices, which takes the pressure off you and keeps clients informed without any extra effort on your part. Finally, the last thing to consider is testing the portal. Once you've completed your setup, log in as a client to make sure everything looks good and functions correctly. Ensure that your clients can easily navigate through their profiles and access the resources you've uploaded. But here's the thing, SuiteDash does have a lot of great features, but it can be a bit overwhelming for those just starting out or for teams that need something more straightforward. And if you're focused on creating an easy and seamless experience, there are other platforms that might be a better fit. That's why, while SuiteDash has some useful tools, I found that alternatives like Competitor Name could offer more streamlined options for client portals with more intuitive interfaces and easier setup. They also come with their own free trials and exclusive perks through our link, which I'll get to in a moment. Before we wrap up, just remember, the client portal setup with SuiteDash is highly customizable, but it does take some time to get everything dialed in. If you're up for that, it's a solid choice. But if you're looking for something simpler and just as effective, be sure to check out the alternatives I've linked below. And before you go, don't forget to grab your exclusive and extended free trial through the link in the description. You'll get access to benefits that are only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and happy setting up your client portal.